What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another video. And today it's not about the CRV, it is about the turbo street truck that is right behind me. And you guys are probably not excited or ready to be seeing how it looks right now, but let's show you guys. So the truck's fully taken apart. As you can see right now, the engine's taken apart. But if we go more back here, the whole rear is stripped, the diff's out over here, the wheels are out over here. Oh, peep out the new welds. I feel like every time I make a video on this truck, it has new wheels every time. But yeah, the frame is fully stripped off. There's a reason for all of that. So little backstory: a couple years ago, just so you guys know, this is not my truck, this is my brother's truck, but I record the videos on it. But backstory: a couple years ago, he was cruising through the street to pick me up from work, and the rear locked up a bit, and it went a bit sideways and went into like the curb. And it messed up like the whole rear. Not the whole rear, didn't mess it up. The bed's okay, you know, all that. But it did mess up the diff, and it slightly bent the frame a bit. So fast forward to a few years later, he sent, actually a few months ago, it was gone for a bit. That's why I never recorded a video. But we sent to get it pulled. They pulled as much as they could. But we decided, well, he decided to get a whole new frame and just go crazy. Not so crazy, but crazy on the frame that he's gonna be doing work on. He just went last weekend to up to NorCal to go pick up a frame. So we're doing a whole new suspension change. We got a whole new suspension haul, and we have it right over there around this corner right here. And I'm gonna show it to you guys. Never mind, it's over here. So basically what we're doing is we're gonna be doing a shock relocation kit on the truck. We're redoing the step notch on the new frame. We're changing out the shocks to some Viking shocks, and then this is where it gets like more juicy. So towards the front, we're gonna be doing adjustable coilovers from Vikings. So that's gonna be pretty gnarly. I have them right over here. We're doing new control arms, uppers, and I believe lowers as well. I'll pull those all out so you guys can see. But yeah, the control arms are from Twisted Metalwork. That's also who's gonna be doing the work as well on the frame. What else can we be doing on the frame? We're also doing a fuel cell as well. So we're gonna be ditching this, and I think that's also gonna get rid of the common Chevy lean, since it's gonna be over here and in the center. So that's gonna be really nice. It's gonna be pretty race truck. Now you're probably wondering, like, if we're doing all this, why don't we go 4-link? That's because we're trying to be the fastest leaf spring truck in the area. But that's all bullshit. We're not trying to do that. No, but we're not trying to go 4-link. We're just trying to get it like a simple, like, just shock relocation and then full suspension haul. But yeah, here, let me show you guys. Alright, so here's slightly everything. Here's the coilover itself. So it's a Viking Performance shock thingy, I guess. The spring's like over there, tucked over there. But yeah, here's the Viking. It's adjustable right here in the bottom. As you can see, that's like with all the damping and stuff like that. Then here's the rear shocks that's going to be going on it. They're also adjustable, so that's going to be really good. That's going to be really good for when we're at the track, because that is the plan for this truck. We want to take it to LS Fest next year, over in Vegas. So that's the goal. And then here are the new control arms. They are custom control arms by Twisted Metalworks. It's got spherical bushings. And yeah, I don't think it has, this kit comes with lower control arms, but we have the box right over here. But it's gonna come with like new stuff, like The brackets are right here for the coilovers, and then we have this, and then just all the hardware stuff. But that's about it. I'm trying to think what else we're gonna be doing on this. Pretty much said everything. Fuel cell, shock relocation kit, new frame, new notch, front control, upper control arms, coilovers up in the front, and then we'll obviously we're gonna be throwing in the new trans, which is actually over here. Over here, the MP transmission 4L80 stage 2 trans. And then we do have the stall right here from Circle D. I think it's a 36 or 3800 stall. I can't remember, so don't quote me on that. But yeah, that's pretty much what's been going on with the truck. We've been getting it prepared, shipped down. We're gonna try to transfer the we just got the frame sandblasted because it was powder coated in the red. But we're gonna be transferring the diff over there, leaf springs, and then like the spindle from the front, since it's getting like new everything up in front. But what else is gonna get done? I believe that's it. After that, after all this, it should just be tuned, just a tune, and putting everything back together, and also doing the the gears. We have a true track. That's what was originally in the truck, but we removed it due to what had happened. And I think that's about it. I can't really think from the top of my head. Here, give me a second to think. I don't know if I also showed this in the last video, the update on the truck, but we did get a new radiator on this. It is shit, where is it from? I don't remember where it's from, but we got a new radiator, some slim fans, clean it up, you know. I think that's about it that we did off camera. I think I did share this. Oh, and the radiators from On3 Performance, that's where it's from. But yeah, we got the turbo right here. Here, let's compare my turbo with his turbo real quick. Never mind, it's too heavy. But yeah, I don't know what else to say about this video. This might be it. I'm gonna try to update you guys more on well, we got the driver right here for the truck. I'll try to update you guys more throughout like the whole process. I think next week we're gonna be dropping off the frame itself to the shop, so we can start getting all the work done onto it, so we could get this thing finished as soon as possible, because we want to have this thing on the road, start enjoying it like crazy, take it to the track, cars and coffee, all that jazz. It's the only thing to do, so we gotta. But yeah, hopefully we could if we go to LS Fest, we meet a few of you guys over there, and then well, just other events really. There's also this other event up in Bakersfield called Red List Series. We want to take the truck over there, see what it could do, see what class we could put it in. I feel like right off the bat on the quarter mile, this truck could run like a high 12, low 13 off the bat. Obviously, like maybe after a bit more tweaking, we could drop it down to the 11s. But I'm not sure. What do you guys think? We're trying to make it like around 650 to 7, so around there. I think it should be a decent point, but I don't know, we'll see. I don't know what it's gonna really run. We'll find out later. But this might be it for today's video. Pretty much me yapping, but it's also a little update video for you guys, because I know a lot of you guys are interested in this truck. But yeah, we're just trying to go crazy on it. Somewhat crazy. I mean, we're already there, so might as well do the extra things. But yeah, that's about it. I'll have more videos out soon on the Civic or CRV. But yeah, guys, have a good one.